Back in this video we will see Birdfy motion detection not working. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so you just follow this video. First thing is guys, verify your app and the camera setting. So guys, make sure your motion is toggled on. For this, open the Birdfy app, go to your camera settings and ensure your motion detection and motion detection alarm are both switched on. Then guys, adjust your motion sensitivity to high to ensure your small movement to trigger the camera, and check do not disturb. So check if you have the active sleep schedule or an active do not disturb time block the prevent notification from being pushed to your phone, and make sure your phone system setting allow to push the notification from the Birdfy app. Then check network strength and the battery. So guys, poor Wi-Fi can prevent the clip from recording and notify you. So ensure your Birdfy devices is within 10 meter of your router, and verify your mobile devices and the camera are connected to the 2.4 GHz network, as Birdfy does not support the 5 GHz. If your camera's battery is extremely low, so it may stop detecting the motion to conserve power. Charge the device completely. Then physical placement and environment. So ensure there is no dirt, water spot or the birds dropping directly on the camera lens. Okay, so avoid. Second thing is guys, angle of view. So avoid aiming the camera directly at the heavy traffic area like busy roads or overlay brightness and reflective surface, which can confuse the AI or flood the sensor. Then guys, test the PIR sensor. So wave your hand directly in the front of the camera to see if it is wake up or records. Then perform a hard reset. Sometimes the software glitches require a fresh start, so use the provided pin to press the reset reboot button. Locate the near USB-C charging and hold it for 7 to 10 seconds until the camera resets. Afterward, reconnect the device in the app. So these are the things that you can try to fix this issue. So guys, thank you.